Okay, you close it. Okay? Yeah, slowly. It's okay. Gusto niya magpatulog, guys, eh. So, tinuturuan ko siya. Yan. You roll it. Yeah, you can make a bigger, this one a bit. Yes, yeah, you make bigger like that. No. You just do like that. Okay? Okay, you roll it now. Okay? Two hand. Yeah, you roll it harder a bit. So the thing, if you roll the thing is okay. Yeah, never mind. Siya naman kakain yan, guys, eh. Yeah, you put a bit more. Ayan. Okay. We're done. Okay, you put it and then you get another one here. Ayan. You open it.